Today we'll create 5 high authority do follow backlinks. So watch the whole video, don't skip. Before we start this video, I wanna mention something here. Many people ask me questions that whether these backlinks do index in Google or not. Every time I'm creating different type of backlinks. So there are many high authority websites which do index in Google and some other websites are there which don't index in Google. If there is no index tag in website, backlink website, obviously that backlink will not get indexed in Google. Okay. And if that backlink website don't have no index tag, still you have to try your best to index your backlink by submitting that backlink URL in high authority websites. Some backlinks do index in Google within 24 hours. Some backlinks take more than 2 months. Okay. Now the point is these backlinks are free. Just get the benefit from this. There might be websites which don't index in Google. Still you can use those backlinks to increase your MOZ authority or href domain rating. So that's it. I hope I have made everything clear here. Now without further ado, let's start this video. Our first website is this one, and the DR of this website is 79 domain rating, 3.2 million backlinks, and 9K linking websites. Go to this website, sign in. You have to add your email address. I'll use my temporary email address here. Add your confirmation code here. Now go to the home page and click on this icon, and then here go to my account, or you can go here as well, and then you have to click on this button. But if you go to the my account, you will find that option here. Okay, you can see here same page will appear here. Now you have to fill up this detail. I'll change my username. Add your bio, and then pick your image. Add your website here, and then click on this button, become a fundraiser. So this is my account. Now if I click on this button, view profile, this is my profile, and here's my backlink. I said do follow backlink. You can see here, I said do follow backlink. Now let's move on to next website. Our next website is this one, and the DR of this website is 78 and 1.1 million backlinks, 9.4K linking websites. Let's go to this website. Click on sign up button and fill up the form. Go to your email and verify the link. Now add your details here. Continue. And now go to this button and then profile. And here add intro about your website or your business. And you can add your backlinks here. I've added 2 links here and then save it. And you can update your profile photo. Copy this link address and try it on some other window. These are Dofollow backlinks. You can see here. So Dofollow backlink. And this link also a Dofollow backlink. This is our second website. Now let's talk about third website. Our next website is this one. And the DR is 79 domain rating. Go to this website. Log in. I log in here through Tro account. Click on the sign up button. Fill up this form. Add your verification code here. Now log in again. Click on activate. Okay, I'll close this pop-up. Add your country. Submit details. Now go to others, then profile page. And now add your website address here. And save. Now go to public page. And our backlink is here. And you can see it said Dofollow backlink. You can add your profile picture here. Now let's move on to next website. And the DR of this website is 71 987K backlinks, 8.8K linking websites. Go to this website, sign in, go to create account, fill up this form and then click on sign up button. Once you click on sign up now, go to your email and confirm the link and log in again. Go to my profile and then click on this gear icon. And then first add your profile image. Go down and here add your bio. I'll copy this generated code and then I'll open this page. Paste your code here. Create. Copy this. Go to your bio and paste it here. Update. And this is our profile URL. And here are my backlinks and that do follow. You can see here, so do follow backlink. This is our fourth website. Now let's create backlink on our last fifth website. And the DR of this website is 75, 92K backlinks and 5K linking websites. Go to this website. It's in German language. Translate it to English. And then register and fill up this form. Now go to your email and here you'll find this link, this confirmation link. If you don't know how to read this one, just select this, right click, and here you will find an option to translate it to English. You can see here. My account is confirmed now. Upload your profile image. Then add your details. And here you can add your, what you call, your website address or blog address. Save. I think we missed something here. Okay, we have to add details here. Okay, our profile is ready and this is our profile link. Let's open this. You can see my website address is here. You can see here it's a do follow backlink. Okay, and this one is no follow. I'll remove this link from here. Okay, it's gone now. So these are why high authority do follow backlinks. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. In our next video, we'll bring some more high authority do follow backlinks and some other SEO related topics. So stay in touch. See you and take care.